Hey there, Matt Pete here with Transhield, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Transhield Universal Vhull cover. Before you cover your boat, be sure to wipe it down and make sure that it's free from any water. Your cover will come in a cardboard box and folded up, where the last part that is folded is the bow of the boat. You can take that and cup it over the front of the boat. From there, you can roll the cover back and begin to flip it out over the boat. This can be done with one person, but it is easier with two. Your Transhield cover will come with vents already installed. This will help prevent condensation, moisture, and heat buildup when your boat is in storage. The Transhield cover comes with rope sewn in the perimeter. It's one continuous piece of rope going all the way around the boat. Be sure that these ropes cross when they exit so that you do not rip the cover. To tighten the perimeter rope, you need to find something solid on the back of the boat. That can be the trailer, it can be a transom eye, or it can be the cover itself. What I've done here is tied off the rope on one side loosely. I'm going to go through my trailer eyelet on the other side. In the middle, I'm going to tie a loop. To tie the knot, you're going to pinch the material together, or the rope together, loop it around and back through. I'm going to run the loose end of the rope through the loop. I'm going to pull this tight, tie it off, and do the same thing on the other side. Your Transhield cover will come with a 12-foot piece of rope tied to the tie down. You can either run this from side to side or down to the trailer on each side. To tighten your belly bands, you're going to run the rope under the boat between the trailer or tie it down to the trailer. Go through the tie down. I like to come back about a foot and tie a loop, just like we did in the back with the perimeter rope. That gives you a nice leverage point to tighten your cover down. Transhield covers can be shrunk down with a heat tool for an even tighter fit. For more on that, check out our video on how to use the shrink tool. While Transhield manufactures transportation covers, the Universal storage cover is not intended for high-speed transportation. If you follow the instructions in this video, you're ready for winter storage. And for all things equipment protection related, check out our YouTube channel or transhield-usa.com.